Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Xinerva web application in order to download tables from 10Qs and 10Ks directly into Excel. What's so cool about the Xinerva web application is that you can actually do this over multiple quarters or multiple years. After logging into our website at xinervatech.com, you're going to go to the earnings analysis section and click download report tables to spreadsheet. You can search by either company name or ticker. So for the purpose of this video, let's say I want to see all the possible tables in Apple's 10Ks from 2015 to 2020. After selecting my time period, I'm going to click View Spreadsheets, and you'll see here that I have a preview of all the tables that I can possibly download. Now let's say I just want to download the income statement, balance sheet, and statement of cash flows. And I don't really want to worry about everything else. So what you can do here is you can download just the statements that you want directly into Excel. After choosing the tables, I'm going to click Download Spreadsheets, and you'll see that our technology downloads a custom zip folder in less than 5 seconds to your machine. And that folder has different workbooks corresponding to the time periods in your query. And in each of those workbooks, you'll see just the tables that you selected. So after opening the 2015 10K, you can see that there's only 3 statements: the income statement, balance sheet, and statement of cash flows. And there's a different workbook for each time period. So there's no confusion on your end as a user which financial statement belongs to which time period. And so what the power of Xinerva really is that it provides you a convenient and easy to use web application that quickly allows you to extract just the financial statements that you want directly into Excel. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.